Well, it's a great event. It's a great turnaround. Great crowd, good exposure. That's how we're doing it.
Who are you with? Long Beach Police Department or what?
No, Red Eye Media. Red Eye Media at redeyemediainc.com. 880-562 City Life. That's how we do it.
What do you guys do?
We do screen printing, embroidery, promotional items. We do school uniforms. We do T-shirts, hats, hoodies, anything you need printed on. Flyers, brochures, we'll do it.
I'm a big fan of car culture in general, and so the Bixby Knolls area has a lot of history and connection to watch out now. Bixby Knolls area has a lot of connection and ties to the historic car culture era, which makes it really cool and really unique. So it's great to have this show. It's the 5th annual. I think this one is definitely the biggest one that I've been to. And the variety of cars is really good this year. So it's been a lot of fun.
What's something that you would like to see next year that's not here this year?
I don't know. This was pretty solid, I think. I mean, you got the dragsters that are kicking up dust over on Carson and Atlantic. You got some really cool old Ford Roadsters and Chevy Roadsters and coupes. There's an original Shelby Cobra over there, which is ridiculous. And yeah, I don't know. I think this one's definitely the best one put together one that I've been to. So I think it went really well, and I'm excited to see what they do next year.
Okay.